Get on with it.
I've been waiting ages. I'm all nerved up. No, it's gonna be more.
You're doing so well.
Yeah, I'm alright, aren't
I think it's worked in your favour, the anticipation.
I? Sorry?
It's worked in your favour.
Well, the anticipation. I don't think they've got anticipation left in them anymore.
Well,
The anticipation from being... I don't know.
yeah.
Sorry.
No. There's always this moment. I think that the word anticipated has been said a lot during the course of this festival. I mean, hearing many people talk about that word, saying that word, anticipate. But there is such thing as this moment, and this moment is happening as we speak.
Oh, this one?
No, this one. That one.
No, not that one. Not that one.
No, it's this one.
No, guys, the moment's going to happen when I get on the stage.
But you've got a point.
No, you're right.
Yeah.
We spent much of our life in anticipation.
Yeah.
I'll be anticipating the day I'm going to be rich, but that's not happening.
No.
I remember it was a long tunnel of regret.
You are.
Looking back. All the opportunities I missed.
I speak to live right now.
Let's save some seats. I'm going to probably be talking like this
Are
way.
you going to go through here?
I'm already going to talk this way, I think. I don't know. Will I get more people looking at me that way? Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Just, I don't know what I'm doing yet.
in the wrong place anyway.
Hello, champion.
You come in. Sit anywhere. I'm going to be about here.
Have a seat.
I think it's about it, is it? Once more. Okay. We start? Yeah. You filming? Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the Cardboard Prince, Robert Ridley-Shackleton! He's one of kind. Right. Anyway, yeah. So it was just a little incident, and I'm absolutely happy about the results. So at least I'm fine. Anyway, so I'm going to introduce you to my come in. I'm going to introduce you to my new genre of music. And it's Tupperwave. Now it's actually been going a few years. I did the first Tupperwave album in 2014. That's a few years ago. But now I'm going to carry on because the genre's gone forever, doesn't it? It never ends, and that's the problem. So I'm just going to be another genre that goes on forever. So anyway, what are we going to do? Right, so we're going to do a rendition of Hound Dog with my Tupperwave. So that's by the late great Elvis Presley. So I'm going to do a rendition of Hound Dog. Dishes, oh God, the dishes. Wonderful! Could you applaud me, please? That was my first song. It's, as I said, it's a rendition of Hound Dog, which we all know. Oh wait, I forgot the last time, what was it? So that was the last bit of the song, but I forgot to do that in the song, but I've done a reprise where it comes back. Right, what do I do now? Oh, it's song two. Song two, everyone. Right, what should I do now? Song two. Now this is a sound art piece and performance art piece. Ugh, phlegm's alright, it's alright. Right, I'm going to do some sound and performance for you. Art! Space. Sorry, you see my ass. Space. Art. M4 is a great way to drive everywhere. Space. Art. God, this sounds great. I'm going to record the sound of that and loop it or make it sound space. Oh, I stuck to my bloody hand. Never mind. What does that do? Oh, let's come in. It's alright. You're part of the song. Performance art sound, please. Performance art. Can I do a handstand? No, too old. Don't worry. It's fine. It's fine, everybody. It's performance art. No, I can't do a stumping handstand, but I can do this. Really good. We up for some of that? Not bad, eh? Ooh, right, so that's my sound art performance piece done for today. So I want a round of applause for that, please. Who's performing here in this thing? How much are we getting paid today? Just wondering. When do we get our dosh? Just curious. Right. Anyway, I'm just gonna I call the cardboard prints like I stated in my introduction because, well, understand that's what my mum calls me. Right. So we're gonna Mondays, Sundays, Wednesdays, that's the bit in the middle, it's not a nice one either. And then when Saturday comes, it's going to be Monday again, isn't it? You know what I mean? Listen, look out, I've got dizzy. Anyway, cardboard prints, so I'm going to do some card sound for you, card sound. No, actually no, I'm going to do card techno for you. Card techno. So it's a music genre I invented just now, and I'm going to do it for you, the audience. Ready? Techno! Oh, it's always harder when you get older. Thank you! Right. What time did I start this? Does anyone know? Did anyone keep track of time? Because I've got like 20 minutes to do this in. So can I go to some more? It's alright? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to do another Tupperware classic that was on the first album that you will love. No, you won't love it, you'll just tolerate it. Anyway. Some people are just not that educated, you know. Anyway. You're in for some Tupperware classic. I'm going to warn you, you might need earplugs for part of this song because it's a real loud, garish bit that's going to really make you feel awkward in the room, okay? Ready? Sorry, it's gonna... What's wrong with it? Make garish sounds! Shit. Well, that song didn't turn out how I wanted it to, did it? Round of applause, please, for that song. Usually this thing makes a real loud, garish sound, but obviously it didn't make it this time, but at least we still had fun. That's the bottom line. And also, I'm not going to spill any bodily fluids, so just letting you know that, just because, you know, it could happen today. I'm not going to do any of that, but I am going to do this. It's called, well, it's this kind of thing I've been doing for a while. I'm kind of researching what it sounds like to shape this, so I'm just going to research this for a bit. Right, what did I think to that then? What have I learned from that? What did I learn from that? I've learnt that I like it, but I shouldn't do it again. Right, so anyway, I do really like it, and I want to show you it because I've been doing it all around the house and in the streets, and in the park, in prison. It's been great. It sounds like a cymbal on a drum kit, except for it's not a cymbal. It's a tape measure, and I'm fine with that because you don't. It's art. It can be anything, can't it? Ah! That always happens. Right, and then we do a guitar solo, but I couldn't afford a guitar. But because it's art, this will do. Ooh, crispy. Ooh, packet of crisps on a Sunday. And then it's Monday. Oh, it's always Monday, isn't it? You know what I mean? But if you do it slowly, it sounds a bit more like sound art. In a way, but maybe, I don't know. You decide. It could be anything. See this lip line? Thank you. Hi. Where's Veronica? Oh,
On call.
hey?
On call.
I haven't finished yet. I didn't say I was finished. But I do require silence for this one because the artiste is about to do something very, very influential to all you people today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read from one of my books which are for sale. Now, no, they are for sale. I'm sort of thinking they're about £20 each, but I'm doing an offer today because I'm really feeling a bit generous. So it's £2 and you get a little Travel Prince RRS badge to take home and pin on your jackets and look real punky. No, £2, I think it's £3 because I'm great. Right, so I'm going to read this one here. I'm going to read that one there. Because it was once words, right? It isn't anymore. But I can still read it because I wrote it. So, right, I'm going to... Right, this is very important. The artist requires dead silence because this is a real important thing. So please do not make a sound for a few seconds before, whilst I think about this. Right. Carol. The bread bin's a bit old. I think we need to replace it. Why? Well, I don't know. I just feel like a new bread bin. It's just something I fancy. Do a roly-poly now on command. And make that clicky sound on that kid's toy, please. Alright, Carol. I'll do it for you. What did you say, roly-poly? Yeah, alright. Oh, I can't do them anymore. No, I can't do it. We're just gonna have to separate, you know. I think this bread bin scenario and the roly-poly's really put strain on our marriage, really. Honestly. Oh wait, I've seen, look, that fell off the duck thing. Now, where does that come from? Yeah, that fell off, that's why it didn't make a sound. Maybe if I put it in there. Nothing ever works. Never mind. Anyway, Carol, right. Well, what we'll do about the mortgage is, you have half the mortgage on my roly-poly, put half the mortgage on the bread bin. Say something to me, please. That's some sound poetry, by the way. I'm going to read from this one here. I wrote this with my friend. No, I'm not doing that. I'm doing this, aren't I? Carol, why are you gone to bingo today? Because the duck machine doesn't bloody work anymore, and you're failing me. You can't make those good sounds like you used to. Oh wait! I think I got something, Carol. Hold on. No, I'm nearly there. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Maybe it's this way. I was nearly there. It sounded horrible. It's got to sound horrible. It's art. It's got to be horrible. Sorry, Carol, I failed you. It's okay, I understand why you splitting up with me. I understand. It's not supposed to be funny. This is serious. This is the mortgage we're talking about. And we're rolling bloody well poly. Right, am I done with that poem? Oh, what's this down me? I've got a straw on me. What's this? Where did I get that from? Help! Help! Never mind. Anyway, that's that. That's our poem done. I will give you time. Peter, what have we got? Because I know that we're at that. 2 minutes? Oh. Because how long did I wait, though, because of that last performance?
5 minutes.
Cool. Okay. Alright, so, what do you want me to do? I can do anything you want me to do. Not anything, but just a few things. I could do some more Tupperware for you. I could sing the national anthem. I could
Handle.
Sorry?
Handle.
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 I've already done that.
Do it again.
No, but I can't do the same song twice. That's not how concerts work, you know. Right. Sorry, Performance Art Festival. Performance Art. Anyway, so yeah, my next performance is right. So give me a song and I'll represent it through art. Give me a song and I'll represent it through the power of art that invested in me.
Happy birthday.
Oh, I love that song. I love that song. I sing it every year to myself. The morning I wake up. Okay, right. So we're gonna do Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you, oh Mr. President. Happy birthday to you. I said I want you, and I want you right next to me every day. Can you make a sound, that baby thing? Can you make a sound with the Tupperware? Please, I'll take you back. I'll get home from big early and we can make sweet, sweet, sweet marriage. Please, I just want you to myself, and I forgive you for not doing a roly-poly. Oh, what's the other thing you didn't do? Something else, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you think, then? Are we done? One more? What do you think? Oh, right. I'm going to need something after this to eat. Right, so what do we want now then?
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. How's that go? Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Just say that over and over. Okay. Come in. You're missing out. Right, so what was it? Happy Christmas. How's that go though? You don't know? No, I don't know that one. Well, we want to do a Christmas theme one, don't we? Because it's soon to be Christmas, you know. We've got to get the presents ready, haven't we? You know.
Jingle bells.
It's a Christmas song. Yes, I remember that. Yeah, it's a great one. Okay. Right. Now that requires a side roll. Representation. Mummy, I was good at school. I'm a cat again. Oh, leg fall down really heavy. Oh, but at least it's Christmas soon. Get the family round. It's not supposed to be funny, you know. No. Get the family round, have a right turkey. What are you doing with the tape measure? It's Christmas. Put it away. No, I want a tape measure. It's Christmas, and I want Brussels sprouts. I don't know Brussels sprouts. Carol, please, you're making a scene. Carol, what are you doing with that knife? That Batman smells. Robin flew away. What does this book say? It says, oh God. That's what it says. Oh God, in big letters. It says, it has a date on my desk, so I better not read that. Where are we? Jingle bells. Art. Oh! Hey, did you ever see that cartoon? Oh no, I can't talk about it. It's Jingle Bells. Yeah. Diversify. Emulsify. Badge for sale. Comes with the book. Intensify. Multiply. Robin flew away. that fits like a treat, you know. Look at that, looks good, doesn't it? Hey? Come in, sing. Mum, it's me. I'm calling from a payphone. Mum, no, it's just the sound of my voice. It's just a really bad phone signal. Mum, I've run out of bus money. Can you come fetch me from Liverpool? Mum, can you fetch me from Liverpool, please? Robin flew west so high, it made me cry all night. It made me cry. Why? Said why? Said why don't you love me, Carol? And what was it? Mr. President. You think you're done? Not done yet. I'll get a badge for the book. Actually, I might be sparing my badge. Don't get a badge for every book. It depends if I like you enough. So, books for sale. Yeah, some money. Done. Over.